In this video, I will show how to make only selected cells read only in Excel. So click here. Now right click anywhere. Then format cells. Now unselect locked in the protection. Then click on OK. Now press Ctrl and select the column which you want to lock and read only. Press and hold Ctrl. Keep the holding Ctrl and select the column. Now right click on it and format cells. In the protection, select locked, click on OK. Now in the review, click on protect sheet, enter the number like 1, 2, 3, re-enter, click on OK. Now you make the try to changes, you will see this option, this notice, and here you can make changes. So this way you can lock particular cells, selected cells in Excel. Now to remove this setting, same review, unprotect sheet, enter your password, then click on OK. So thanks for watching.